After regaining independence in 1990s, the importance of external trade in Georgia has been increasing. In this regard, importance and role of gender related indicators became more important role in Georgia.
So in Georgia, this was the first project, and we found a number of gender inequalities. And in particular, it was interesting to see that for wages, for employment, and especially for ownership, the gap between men and women was in favor of men, but ownership was particularly sharp. In women-owned enterprises, we found that the share of women's employment was higher compared to the enterprises that were owned by men. And the same result was for wages. In women-owned enterprises, we saw that the gender pay gap was narrower compared to men-owned enterprises. One of the interesting findings was that while the gender inequalities persisted in all three dimensions, in employment, wages, and ownership, we saw that the lowest discrepancies and the lowest inequalities was with high-skilled workers. So the high-skilled women had relatively higher employment share and relatively narrower gender pay gap, which means that the education, the high skill level, protects women from the inequalities.
From this project, we learned that there is a need to use more and more administrative data and combine it with survey results, because international practice showed that high quality of statistical products can be derived by combining administrative data with survey results.